Have you ever noticed that little things like carrying groceries or gardening feel just a bit harder than they used to? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Muscle loss is a natural part of aging, but here's the good news. You can fight back, and it starts with what you eat. Today, I want to share 5 powerful fruits that don't just taste delicious. They actually help stop muscle loss and boost your strength. You might be surprised by what's on this list. So let's dive right in and take charge of our health, because you deserve to feel strong every single day. Number 1, bananas. They're not just for monkeys. Bananas are packed with potassium, and that helps your muscles contract and recover after activity. Plus, they give you quick energy for those daily walks or impromptu dance parties in the living room. Number 2, oranges. These sunshine fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which helps repair muscle tissue. If you've ever felt sore after a busy day, a juicy orange can help your body bounce back faster. And the bonus? They taste like summer in every bite. Next up, avocado. Yes, it's a fruit. Avocados bring healthy fats and a dose of magnesium, both of which your muscles crave. They also help your body absorb other nutrients, so every salad or toast becomes a muscle-loving meal. Number 4, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Take your pick. These little wonders are full of antioxidants that fight inflammation, which is key for keeping your muscles in tip-top shape. Sprinkle them on yogurt or just snack by the handful. Finally, watermelon. It's not just for picnics. Watermelon is hydrating and contains an amino acid called citrulline, which may help reduce muscle soreness and improve blood flow. It's a refreshing way to finish any meal, especially on a warm day. Remember, small changes can bring big results. Adding these fruits to your daily routine isn't just easy, it's delicious. And every step you take matters, whether it's in the garden, down the hallway, or around the block. If you found these tips helpful, leave a comment and tell me which fruit you'll try first. Your journey to strength is personal, but you're never alone. Let's support each other, celebrate each win, and keep moving forward together. Thank you for watching, and here's to many more strong, healthy days ahead.